If you're seeking free alternatives to Adobe Illustrator for vector graphic design, several options cater to various skill levels and project requirements. I'm going to show you 5 notable choices. The first one is Inkscape. It's on Windows, Mac OS, and also Linux. It's an robust open source vector graphics supporting the SVG format. It offers features like path operation, node editing, and text support. While it may have a learning curve for beginners, it's a powerful tool for creating professional quality design. The second one, it's Figma, and this one is pretty easy since it's web-based, right? So it's a collaborative interface design tool that runs in the browser. It allows real-time collaboration, making it ideal for teams. While primarily used for UI and UX design, its vector editing capabilities make it a viable alternative for certain illustration tasks. The third one, Vector. It's web-based, it's also on Windows, on Mac OS, and it's also on Linux. It's a user-friendly vector graphics editor usable for beginners. It offers essential features for creating simple graphics and illustration. While it lacks some advanced tool, its intuitive interface makes it accessible for quick design tasks. The first one, and then it's called Proxy SVG. It's web-based. It also has a Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS version as well. So it's tailored for creating SVG file and is compatible with modern web standards. It provides a clean interface and it supports various features like path editing, gradients, and typography tools. It's particularly useful for web designer and also developers. The last one is called Graphic Designer. It's web-based, it's in Windows, it's on Mac OS, it's on Linux, and it's on Chrome OS as well. It offers a modern interface with a range of vector design tools. The free version provides essential features, while a pro version unlocks advanced functionalities. It's suitable for various design projects from icons to presentations.